Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you find the meanings of emojis near your friends' names on Snapchat. But before that, remember to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's get right into it. First of all, you have to open the Snapchat. After that, at the top of the page, in the left, you have to click on the face icon. After that, at the top of the page, on the right, you have to click on the settings icon. Then you have to scroll down and you have to click on friend emojis. And here we go. There is all the emojis and you can read their meanings. That's it for this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and I will see you in the next one. Bye!